first main of exercise 6.4 is multiply the binomials. That is the heading. Multiply the binomials means it is understood that both the given terms here are binomials, means it consists of two terms in it. 6 problems are there totally, children. I will solve 3 problems for you, and 3 problems you can do it on your own. So second question I am solving, since first question is very easy with plus sign in between. So second question is y minus 8 into 3 minus 4. So if you observe here, y minus 8, 2 terms are there, 3y and 4, 2 terms are there. So first bracket is binomial, second bracket is also binomial, and here we are multiplying binomial with the binomial. So what is the first step in case of binomial with binomial means is equal to write the first term along with the sign in the bracket. So plus y into second term 3y minus 4. So look here, before next step we need to write down this 8, but in between y and 8 minus sign is there, children. So please be very careful. I will write minus again the second term of the first binomial into 3y minus 4. Hope you are clear with it. Y into whole bracket, minus is there, so minus, again second term 8 into whole bracket. Now it became monomial with binomial, monomial with binomial. So let us simplify. And now I will not tell you this adding powers and all. I have repeated many number of times until exercise 6.3. So here onwards directly I will be doing, and you should be able to follow by this time. Y into 3y, 3y square. Look here, be careful with the sign. Plus into minus, minus. Y into 4, just 4y. Minus 8 is now with minus sign. Minus into plus 3y. Minus 8 3s are 24y as it is. Minus into minus plus 8 4s are 32. Now is equal to only one term with y square, so I will write it as it is. But I have two terms with variable y, same variable y, so I need to add them. It is like minus 4y minus 24y, children. See, both the terms are having minus sign now. Plus 32, no change. Last term I am writing as it is. But this is varying now. Minus 4y, minus 24y. When two numbers are having minus sign, then you need to add the numbers. So 24 plus 4 is 28. This is just y. Keep the variables as it is. In case of addition and multiplication, addition and subtraction, in case of multiplication, add their powers if at all the base or the variables are same. Minus minus means if both the numbers are having minus sign, then it is simply minus 28y. This is the answer, children. See, decreasing order of powers also. Y to the power 2, y to the power 1, y to the power 0. Y square minus 28y plus 32 is the answer. This is how you multiply binomial with the binomial. Next you have decimal, children. So I thought of solving this for you. This is the third question in your first main. Multiply the 2.5L minus 0.5M and 2.5L plus 0.5M. Same step we are following, only thing is decimal point is there. Don't worry, again first term along with the sign. 2.5L into whole second bracket, that is 2.5L plus 0.5M. Next step is whatever sign is there in between the first binomial, between the terms, that sign I should write. So minus sign is there. Into second term, that is 0.5m into again whole bracket. Let me write in the next line. 2.5L plus 0.5m. That is how you do. Time being, children, I will erase this because I want more space. The board is small, not like school, so please bear. Now 2.5 into 2.5 you need to multiply. You know this type of multiplication now. Again you need to multiply 2.5 into 0.5. That is the only. If you know these two, then only sign changes are there we can do. So how do you do this multiplication? I don't know which method you have learned, but anyhow, those who know can do in your own method. Those who don't know can follow this. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. we got 125. Below 5 plus sign. Now do with 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 0 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 0 is 2 plus 0 2. 5 plus 1 is 5. 625 we got. Very clear now children. You know which are the perfect squares. 625 is a perfect square of 25. 25 into 25 is 625. Here you have decimal place. That is the only difference. 2.5 into 2.5. After decimal point 1 digit here. After decimal point 1 digit here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. From left to 1 2. 6.25. So now 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 12 plus 0 5s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 25 5s are, you know, no? 125. 25 5s are 125. Again 2 digits means 2 digits you will count from that side. It is 1.25. These values we need to do it here now. So first step is, after splitting the first binomial into whole bracket minus second term of the first binomial into whole bracket. Now this monomial into this bracket, monomial into this bracket we shall do now. 2.5 into 2.5 L. 2.5 into 2.5, just now we got now. So 6.25 L into L, L square, plus 2.5 into 0.5 we have 1.25. 1.25 L into M is LM. No need to add their powers by two different variables. Next, minus into plus, minus 0.5 into 2.5. Again 1.25 M into L. LM or ML, either way you can write it since it is multiplication. Minus into plus, minus 0.5 into 0.5. Oh, one more we have children, 0.5 into 0.5. I will show you here. See, 5 5s are 25, you will get, no, directly you can do. 2 carry, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 25. Plus 0, 0. 5, 2, 0. 2 digits, 0.25. So, minus 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25 M into M, M square we got. Look what we did. 2.5 into 2.5, 6.25 L into L, L square. 2.5 into 0.5 is 1.25 L into M, LM. Minus into plus minus, 0.5 into 2.5 is 1.25, M into L is LM or ML, either way you can write. Minus into plus minus, 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25, M into M, M square. Next step is the last step children. We have to check whether you have any repeated variables like this. 6.5 L square, anywhere do I have L square? No, so write it as it is, 6.25 L square. Look here, LM, LM. Next we have 1.25 LM minus 1.25 LM. LM and LM are the terms with same variable, we see. But here children, plus 1.25 ml minus 1.25 LM gets cancelled. It is like plus 1 and minus 1. So it is getting cancelled. We are left with the one more term, that is 0.25 M square. So final answer is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. Hope you are clear. Why did I cancel this? It was like plus 1.25 LM minus 1.25 LM. When you have 1 plus 1 minus means you should subtract. 1.25 minus 1.25 is 0. So when you have 0 into LM is 0 only. Whatever sign is there, we are not bothered. Why we got 0. So this term and this term I am cancelling it. I am left with minus 0.25 L square M square as it is. This is about the. So children, in this first one I said you to solve since it is very simple. Second and third I solved. Fourth one again it is easy, you solve. Fifth and sixth I am doing it for you. So next question is again multiplying binomial by the binomial. 2pq plus 3q squared and 3pq minus 2q squared. So first step is consider the first term 2pq, multiply that with the whole second bracket, that is 3pq minus 2q squared. In between the terms plus sign is there, so plus 3q square into second big bracket 3pq minus 2q square. In the next step multiply 2pq and 3q square inside those brackets. So constants first, 2 3s are 6, p into p square, q into q square, plus into minus, 2 2s are 4, p into nothing is there means 1, p, q into q square, q cube, plus into plus, 3 3s are 9, q square into q cube, before that p is there with the term, right, as it is, p q cube, p first, q next, no, so p q cube, plus into minus, 3 2s are 6, q square into q square, q to the power 4, q square into q square, q square into q square, same variable means add their powers, 2 plus 2 which is 4, so minus 6q square. Now next step is finding whether there are any common variables so that we can add them. Do I have p square q square? No. So I will write 6p square q square as it is. Next term, if you observe children, pq cube, pq cube. Hope now you have understood why I wrote in the same order. Suppose if you have written q cube p also, no problem, you can multiply. Plus 9 minus 4. Now I have plus 9 p q cube minus 4 p plus 9 pq cube minus 4 pq cube we have. One number with plus sign, one number with minus sign means subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. Variables don't change anything when addition and subtraction. So pq cube, greater number sign, 9 is greater than 4 and 9 is having plus sign means minus 4pq plus q cube is plus 5p q cube minus 6q to the power 4 as it is we did. We simplified these two terms children. Since it was having same variable pq cube. Now as I said you, we need to keep the powers in the decreasing order. Highest power is power 4, next power 3, next power 2. So if at all you rearrange, what you get is minus 6q to the power q to the power 4 plus 5p q cube plus 6p square q square is the final answer children. This is how you do. Next, as we did in the third question, the decimal multiplication of decimal point. Similarly here you have it in terms of fractions children. So it is also very easy, but be little careful when you do. Again binomial into binomial. Before that children, the question is first binomial, no problem. Why? 3 by 4a square plus 3b square you have. This has to be multiplied with 4 into a square minus 2 by 3b square. The question is like this. In such case children, first you need to simplify this and then apply this first step of splitting the first binomial term. So 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square, I will write as it is into, I will multiply this 4 inside the bracket. Before multiplying binomial by a binomial children, in the second term, that is second binomial, there is one step where you need to multiply the monomial inside the, outside the bracket to be sent inside the bracket. So 4 into a square, 4a square minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 b square. So now we got multiplication of binomial by a binomial. When such questions are given, make sure that you multiply the number outside inside to make it two binomials. Now is equal to first term 3 by 4a square into this whole bracket. (4a square minus 8 by 3 b square). In between the terms plus sign is there. So plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square and close the bracket. Only this step was extra children. Next onward same. First term into whole bracket plus. So second term into whole bracket. Now you multiply. I want to show the multiplication separately here children. So for now, hope you have understood the problem. I am cleaning the board. here, okay, let me show you separately. Now I am multiplying this first term, monomial into first term of the binomial. So it is 3 by 4a square into 4a square. See, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So you are left with 3. A square into a square is a to the power 4. So 3 by 4a square into 4a square is 3a to the power 4. Next again, 3 by 4a square into 8 by 3 b square. Now we need to multiply 3 by 4a square into 8 by 3 b square. When you are doing that, see here, 3 ones are 3 ones are, 4 ones are 4 twos are, 1 into 2, 2. Here both 1 are there, so you can leave it a square into b square as it is. But look here, plus 3 by 4a square into minus 8 by 3b square. So plus into minus minus. 3 by 4a square into 8 by 3b square is 2a square b square. So this is multiplying this first term monomial with the binomial. Next, similarly, we should do with the second term, that is 3b square into 4a square. This is no problem, I think. See, directly you can do plus into plus plus. 3 4s are 12. B square into a square is a square b square. Plus into minus minus. Now you have to multiply 3b square by the second term 8 by 3b square. When you multiply 3 ones are 3 ones are. That is 8 into 1 is 1. This 3 got cancelled. B square into b square is b to the power 4 minus 8b to the power 4. This is how you do, children. As soon as you see the fractions, you should not get 10. See how easily that will get cancelled. If at all in test or exam also, I will not ask you to multiply directly. If you want, add 2 more steps. What we did here, no, that you can show here only in terms of steps. That is not a problem. 3 by 4 into 4a square is 3a power 4. 3 by 4a square minus 8 by 3 is minus 2a square b square. We got again 3b square into 4a square is 12a square b square. Plus into minus minus 3b square into 8 by 3b square is 8b to the power 4. Now last step is, let us arrange in the decreasing order of power. These two terms have power 4. So 3a to the power 4 minus 8b to the power 4. Don't get confused here and simplify 8 and 3. This is a, this is b. Both the variables are different, so you cannot add or subtract them. Now look here. These two you can subtract. What do we have? Minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square, children. See, a square b square, like this if you have in common only you can add. Not in this square. A square power 4 is different, b to the power 4 is different. So you cannot add them. One number with plus and minus means subtract. 12 minus 2 is clearly 10. Don't disturb these variables, write them as it is. 12 is greater than 2 and 12 is having plus sign, means plus 10 a square b square is the answer, children. This is about the 6th question. Hope you are clear with it. While multiplying fractions, be careful along with the sign. Along with the sign only you should multiply. This is how you solve. And this addition and subtraction part, children, if at all you have same variables, then only you can add or subtract them accordingly. This is about the first main. Next we shall solve the second main.